What domain means? Domain means what possible things can X be. Okay? And this is called set notation, and what it means, the set of all numbers for X. I didn't draw that very good. So the set of all numbers of X, and these colons mean such that. Math is like its own language, and all these symbols have meaning and words. So algebra is actually the language of all higher mathematics, and all these things have words that go with them. This would be read the set of all numbers such that X, or the set of all values of X such that X is something in relationship to another number, right? So the first one is such that X is greater than or equal to 5. That's your first choice. That's A, right? If that line would be, X would be, so if there was a line that's here's where X equals 5 is, right? X equals 5. So all of the things that X could be on a line that would be like that would be, it would start right on that 5 and it would get bigger. So all numbers, any number bigger than 5, that's what X can be for that choice, right? But now we're going to look at this line right here, okay? And this line looks like it goes that way. And that arrow means that it goes forever that way. So it goes forever up, and it would go forever that way. So X could be what? If it goes that way forever and never stops. What's the word that I used for infinity? So it would, and infinity looks like this. Looks like a sideways 8 kind of. Okay? So it goes that way forever. Okay? And X is never bigger than what? Where's that dot on? X equals what? No, this dot right here. What does X equal on that dot?
1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, remember the X is always what?
Right.
Left and right, right? So X, and they have it right there. X is always left and right. So right there on that, where that dot is, X equals 10. That dot, if it's colored in, that means X can equal 10. Okay, and so it's X is, and it can also be anything less than 10. Any number less than 10 is what it can equal. And it can also equal 10. And that's what this symbol means. Less than or equal to 10. Okay? So X is any value of X, or that the value the domain of that function is any value of X such that X is lower than or equal to 10. Does that make sense? Okay. So that's called domain. The other word that you may see is called range.
Okay. Dealt with range a lot.